Hi, my dear friends. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. I am Pihu. Thank you for watching my previous videos. So, welcome to funlearn. Today we will explore some basic shapes. Everything has a shape. Everything around us has a shape. So, first come is circle. The ball, the sun, even the Ashok Chakra of our flag is of circle shape. Next come is triangle. The birthday caps, the pizza slices, everything is of triangle shape. Now comes square. The window and the books are of square shape. Now comes rectangle. The door of our house is rectangle shape. Oval. The egg and the rugby ball is of oval shape. Now come the starfish, star shape, and all the stars are of star shape. Lastly, heart and diamond shape. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you all like it, share and subscribe it to all. Thank you. Bye-bye.